Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pool urine dye is probably one of the most important investments you can make to ensure the hygiene and safety of your pool, protecting your family and guests from the harmful bacteria and unpleasant odors associated with urine contamination. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and using the right urine detection dye for your pool, helping you maintain a sparkling, clean and healthy swimming environment for everyone to enjoy. Number 5. Leakmaster Leak Location Dye Kit. Is your pool losing water? This kit helps you quickly and easily locate the source of the leak, saving you time and money. The highly visible dye makes even the smallest leaks easy to spot. Its color is designed for contrast, whether your pool is light or dark. The refillable syringe with extension straw lets you precisely apply the dye to the suspected leak area. It's easy to use, even for beginners. One bottle refills the syringe up to 40 times, giving you plenty of dye for multiple leak detection attempts. Get professional quality leak detection with this DIY kit. It's the same technology used by pool professionals. Leakmaster offers a complete line of leak detection and repair solutions for pools, spas, and hot tubs. Find everything you need in one place. What we like. It precisely pinpoints the leak location with its vibrant color dye. The easy-to-use syringe makes application simple. If you need a precise and easy-to-use solution for pinpointing leaks, this is the one for you. What people say. The refillable syringe makes it easy to apply the dye exactly where needed without any mess. The syringe allows for precise control, so I could accurately check the suspected areas, including seams, drains, and returns. The dye itself is highly visible underwater and spread slowly enough to give me time to spot the leak before it dissipated. I quickly identified a small crack near the skimmer thanks to this kit, saving me from hiring a professional for leak detection. I purchased this location dye and the ink is way heavier when it's in the water. It will hang around for a moment before moving away, if there is not a hole, and absolutely visible if there is since the dye gets sucked into the hole. Number 4. Green Gobbler Dye. Introducing Green Gobbler's fluorescent dye, perfect for pinpointing leaks, analyzing overflows, and more. It's highly concentrated for superior results in various applications. This bright green dye ensures maximum visibility, even in challenging conditions. For even more precise tracing, use it with UV light or a fluorometer. It won't stain surfaces or clothing. It washes out easily from virtually any surface, so you can use it with confidence. This non-polluting formula is safe for fish and wildlife. It's ideal for river and pond studies and doesn't contain harmful glycol. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. What we like. This dye offers maximum visibility, even under UV light, and is safe for the environment. It won't stain your surfaces. If you prioritize visibility and environmental safety, this is the best choice for you. Number 3. Green Gobbler Red Dye. Tracing water leaks can be challenging. But with this dye, pinpointing leaks in your pipes, sewers, or septic systems is simple and efficient. It's the perfect solution for quick and effective leak detection. This concentrated formula is designed to easily trace water flow. It's ideal for identifying leaks in various settings, from pools to septic tanks, ensuring you can address problems quickly and effectively. Worried about staining? Don't be. This non-staining formula is safe for use on a variety of surfaces, including concrete, asphalt, tile, metal, and plaster. You can trace leaks without worrying about damage. Its bright color ensures maximum visibility, even in challenging conditions. For even more accurate tracing, use it with an ultraviolet light or fluorometer. It's non-toxic and biodegradable, so it's safe for the environment and won't harm fish or wildlife. It's the responsible choice for leak detection. What we like. This dye is non-staining and non-toxic, making it safe for various applications. Its highly distinctive color ensures easy leak detection. If you are looking for a safe and highly visible dye, this is ideal for you. What people say. This dye is fluorescent, so it works best at night with a black light flashlight as it glows in the dark. Not harmful to pump or circulation. It soon dissipates after time. When they say red water tracing, they mean red. This isn't a subtle little pink tint, this is full-on crime scene levels of red. The first time I used it, I thought I had accidentally summoned a horror movie in my sink. But hey, at least I knew exactly where the leak was. I wasn't sure how much I would need. Definitely not this size. A 5 ml syringe was used to find 4 holes in pool liner on 18-foot round pool. Only needed 2 milliliters. Worked great to find holes and easy to see it sucked up or not. I got red. Only need small axe to put where there may be a hole, so doesn't change water color or stain pool. Number 2. Anderson LD601 Leak Tester. This is the Anderson LD601, a handy tool for detecting leaks. It's easy to use and provides accurate results. It comes with an 8-ounce bottle of blue dye. This ensures you have enough for multiple tests. The blue dye is specially formulated for clear leak detection. You'll easily spot even the smallest leaks. This leak tester is designed for simplicity. Just add it to your system and check for leaks. It provides reliable results, saving you time and money on repairs. Trust it to pinpoint leaks quickly and accurately. The Anderson LD601 is your go-to solution for efficient and reliable leak detection. Get yours today. What we like. This product offers convenient refills, saving you money in the long run. The blue dye provides excellent contrast in most pools. If you're on a budget and need a reliable refill option, this is perfect for you. What people say. Works great and is the perfect consistency to ensure you get a good idea if you have a leak in the pool. Worked perfectly. We had tried food coloring but it dissipates too quickly in the water. This really shows up, and doesn't take much product. Works as expected, meaning it performs the same as the small amount that comes preloaded in a separately purchased syringe. Plenty of dye in this container for years worth of testing. Number 1. Red Tracer Dye, 1 gallon. It's a highly concentrated fluorescent dye, perfect for tracing water and detecting leaks. Its vibrant color ensures superior visibility in diverse conditions. See exactly where the water is going. This dye's sharp color makes it easy to track even in challenging situations. It has many uses. From septic system analysis and flow mapping to pollution studies and plumbing, it's incredibly versatile. 1 gallon treats up to 12,000 gallons of water. That's a lot of coverage for your tracing needs. This product is made with pride right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and reliability. Finding leaks has never been easier. Its bright color makes pinpointing leaks simple and efficient. What we like. It's highly concentrated, providing superior visibility and treating a large volume of water. This makes it efficient and effective for various applications. If you need a dye that covers a large area and offers superior visibility, this is the one to choose. What people say. It lights up a neon read in UV light. Don't overdo it, you don't need much. Use this product to locate where water was coming and going on our property and worked as intentioned. I used the dye to find a leak in my heating system and found the heat exchanger to have a crack in it. Saved a lot more time on finding the leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.